one and all present here. Myself Rajan Gudrani. I'm from Rajkot International School. So as you can see this, and you can imagine what is going to be there. Okay, and as this topic in the mentality of people of the society, this topic has more of the negative points as compared to positive points. So today I would like to showcase some of the positive points also of this side, but this topic has some positive points, but it has more number of negative points. So people don't want to listen this. They don't want to recognize this. So as today I'll show you some positive points also. Esports as a career. Disclaimer, not recommended for students and even not recommended for collegians. Because I'm talking about career, and generally when a student will select his career after his graduation. So what is esports? As you can see, as we have seen one of the clip of the tournament, and this is one of the stadium of the tournament. And what is esports actually? Esports mean I will do a small comparison that how a player or a cricketer will select a specific game and form his career into that game, like cricket or javelin throw. Same way in this also a player will select a specific game and will form his career into it. Like if I give examples like PUBG, Free Fire, Counter-Strike, there are many games, there are lots, very wide field. Now I want to tell you to imagine one situation, and everybody honestly have to give answer. Right now I will not ask, but just imagine you are a parent, and after completing your graduation, after completing the engineering, your child or your brother or your younger brother or your younger sister comes to you and tells you that, Mama, I don't want to go in this 9 to 5 job. I want to become a gamer. Mama, please na, listen na. So what will be your reaction? That you have to imagine and keep this thing in your mind. Sir, video please. This video will justify something.
टाइम से पहले पहुंच जाना, अच्छे से देना इंटरव्यू। वो देशपांडे का बेटा कह रहा था और अच्छी कंपनी
हो जाएगा सिलेक्शन, टेंशन मत लो।
ते तर होईलच, पण सांगायला पाहिजे ना काय।
पापा, मैंने वो नेशनल गेमिंग टूर्नामेंट में पार्ट किया था ना, उसका इंडिया फाइनल है, हमारी टीम क्वालिफाई करेगी।
अरे वाह।
तो मैं सोच रहा था कल फिर वो इंटरव्यू तो कैसे दे पाऊंगा, तो नहीं दे पाऊंगा।
नहीं दे पाऊंगा मतलब?
फाइनल भी कल है ना, मुझे फाइनल में जाना मतलब अब कल जीते तो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेल पाएंगे, बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट है। माँ
फील्ड लग रहेगा यार। एक मिनट, तू अरुण अंबानी नहीं है, अरुण वानखेड़े है। हर चीज में डबल मेहनत करनी पड़ती है।
अभी तुझे वीडियो गेम खेलने के लिए रोका नहीं कभी, लेकिन हॉबी जैसे खेलना।
करेक्ट माँ, पर सुन ये टूर्नामेंट का प्राइस ना शायद पॉकेट मनी के लिए अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन इससे घर नहीं चल सकता। टूर्नामेंट के बाद क्या करेगा? सीडी की दुकान खोलेगा या वो हलकट सिद्धेश जैसे साइबर कैफे चलाएगा?
बाबा गेमिंग ऐसे टाइम पास नहीं है अभी, प्रोफेशनल गेमिंग मतलब प्रॉपर करियर है, और बाहर तो बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है इसकी, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। और
So what is happening? A spontaneous reaction, or without thinking anything, we are getting direct negativity. I would like to share my personal experience that in 2018 I have experienced the same situation in front of my mama. But what she explained me after that, that is my conclusion. So we'll come to that. So I'll talk little bit off topic. That this is a list of the players, those who won in the Asian Games 2018, and these are the Indian players. And as you can see, after winning, they are getting lots of respect, money also, government jobs also. This is the thing, is that. But if I'll tell you, I'll not tell you, if I'll show you that from next 2022 Olympics in Asian Games, esports will be also one of the medal event. This is the article based on the official website of Olympic, and there is also one article on the India Today that Indian players can also participate in these games. So there are 8 games, like mainly PUBG Mobile, FIFA, Dota 2, and there are 8 medal games. It means the proper medal, if a player won that game, he'll get the proper medal like gold, silver and bronze. So actually first it was in the demonstration, it was as a demonstration event in the 2018 Asian Games, and in that, see, I want to point out this thing, sorry, that in that demo event also India has potential, that a person, Indian player Tirth Mehta won that in that a bronze medal, and these are the pictures of that, and how Olympics or the government is recognizing, or they will select the players. It is based on AESF, the Asian Electronic Sports Federation will decide that thing. So now maybe you are wondering how to enter in esports by just playing games. Actually there are several ways, many ways. There is one tournament which is organized by the game. It will be in this month only, in the November. But if I say from the thousands of people, if your team reaches at this level or this level, you'll get a call from organization. It means what? It is not the earnings, the career is just not based on the tournaments. There is a proper salary based job. So first of all, I would like to share some cons of esports also. There are many cons. That's why at the beginning only I told that disclaimer, it is not recommended for the students, those who are mature enough. And even the people, those who have attempted my survey, majority of them are above 18 or they are of my age group. If I say they are playing with me, it means directly or indirectly they know what is this field. So there are many cons that if I tell you, the game contains in-game purchase. In-game purchase means a character. If I want to change the clothes of my character, if I want to purchase attractive clothes or outfits or gun skin, I have to pay real money, Royal Pass. I can see your faces. So I have to pay real money. It means I have to invest real money into that, which is quite not right thing. And there are we can see that there are the change in the behavior, students become hyper, and what we can say, the game contains in-game purchase that I have covered, that the earnings may be there or may not be there. Okay, it is based on the skill. If a cricketer, because there are, if I give the example of cricket team, there are only 11 places are there in the international, but still many players are trying, thousands of players are trying. And recently we have seen many cases of police cases, because the students in this also generally observed the students, those who are below 18 age, what they are doing, they are trying, because of parents are not allowing them to play, parents are not giving money, they are doing frauds also, with their friends also they are doing this kinds of frauds. There is one famous case was there, a child, because these students are not mature enough or they don't know the value of money. So what they are trying to do, they are spending money without informing their parents. So what a student did, that he spent at least 10 lakh rupees from his mama's credit card. So there are many cons also at the longer time period. If a professional player is there, after longer time period he may, because we can relate this job with IT job. So how they are facing the problems like back problems, headache and all that. But my question is, if this sport has some cons or there is some problem in this, then my question is to you, that how or which job has no physical and mental stress? And one more question I want to ask you, that after watching this much presentation, and I asked you one question, that what will be your reaction? And after knowing that it will be the sport in e-sport, in the Olympics, in the Asian Games, have you changed your mind a little bit, even a 1%, that कि मैं सोचूंगा इस बारे में? Then please raise your hand. Thank you. As you can see, after a long time period, teacher will face a third problem. A policeman, a traffic policeman, has to stand during his whole day during his job. Same way, IT job. In the 9 to 5 job nowadays, in the society, how people are recognizing as an IT employee, that it is a white collar job. But still, when he is entering to his field, he is getting a cube. In that cubicle till 9 to 5, he has to do coding only. It means in front of the screen. And what parents are telling, ये खेलने से आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. I'm not favoring anything, but I just showing the reality. That it was an article published by the Hindu, that it's just not a job. It's not just a time pass, or you cannot earn through only tournaments. It has a lucrative career option in which a player, it is a proper job provided by an organization. That in that there are 3 levels: T1 player, T2 player, and T3 player. So T3 player can earn only through tournaments. From the T2 itself, organizing will call you, and you will get, or you will earn 50,000 to 90,000 per month. This is I'll say one of the best player of India, named as Jonathan. His organization right now is Godlike. The name of that organization is Godlike, and he is earning, his salary is 8 lakh rupees per month, and he is getting 5,000 rupees for playing one match only. And he is just 19. And I'll say that this career has not only the job as a player, it contains many jobs as a job of team coach. Right now Rahul Dravid is there. Same way, in any game, the player requires the coach, the player requires guidance, and there is a specific job of coach also. In the game commentary, as we have seen, the person was doing commentary in the tournament video. Same way, these are some picture of casters. They were player. Before sometimes they were player, now they are doing casting. It means commentary. A job of manager, it requires manager also. After maybe people are thinking that after, as like I'll compare with cricket only, after his career, what they are doing? They are somewhere or the others, they are involved with this field only. Same way, after retirement, as a player, you can join as a game tester also, and the game mechanics you can test also, and the salary of that is very large. Background voice artist, because as you have listened as you have seen some of the story-based game, in that you are listening continuously a voice of the character, that dubbing artist. Even the game mechanics tester, how this game will work, by which switch, which function will work. It requires also a good testing. So this the question I got during my semis, that how we can learn some educational topics by this game. So I'll say, as you can see this picture, gun recoil. Gun recoil is directly explaining the Newton's third law. So when I'm teaching this topic to my students, I'm giving the reference of this topic. Do you play this game? If he says yes, it directly recalls, so they can relate this thing, how Newton's third law works, that every force has equal and opposite reaction. Same way in this, the player has to decide at a place where he has to land. A player has to decide where he has to land, and he has to see. In the maths and in the physics, there is one point that a shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So in this, see, as you can see, this image is not here, but they want to go here, but one player start gliding from here, but he has to wait for this point. It means he has to wait for the right point. The scope in the gun will explain the mechanism of telescope. This is the fun fact that Indian cricket team also loves to play e-sports like PUBG. There are 4 players: Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Yuzvendra Chahal, Shikhar Dhawan, and Mohammad Shami. They love to play this game, and even nowadays Yuzvendra Chahal and Mr. Arjun Tendulkar, son of the cricket god Sachin Tendulkar, he is coming in the several live stream of the player, and they are also participating like in the charity stream and all. And even the Sachin Tendulkar just now attended one of the esports event. This was my survey. As I explained that majority of the people were above 18, and this was the question that do you think you are mature enough to take your career decision on your own? Most majority of the people said yes. As we have seen one of the presentation in that, ma'am said in the semis, ma'am said that when a child is of 14 years, he'll get the maturity that whether he has to go in which field. It means he'll get some of the ideas. There was one of the question that have you in this, why I have choose the mentality of people those who are below 18. It means everybody nowadays, everybody is trying to enter in this field. Every child wants to enter in this field by YouTube, by starting the YouTube channel. It means because it is free. If you get viral, you get directly call from any organization, and you'll get many subscribers also. I want to ask you students, do you have any YouTube channel? No. So this has the majority of the people has tried to open their YouTube channel and posting their videos to get recognized by the organization. If you get a good opportunity and the good equipments, would you like to enter into the esports? Majority of the people said yes. That do you think esports is a good career opportunity for you? Majority of people selected yes. And the last conclusion from my side, that what my mama said on that time, that don't select this career. If you are passionate enough, go for it, but don't select this as your primary career option. First you build your base, first you if you are getting fixed amount of salary, first you secure your future, and first make it as a secondary career option. It means we can consider it as a part-time. First make it as a secondary career option, and once you will get success in this, then after you at that time you will be on your own, so you can take your decision whether you want to go in which field. So this was the conclusion by my mama, and I want to suggest you to conclude the topic, what will be the good conclusion from your side, any of the one if you can. Yes, Mehdi will. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, every job or every work was new one day. At that time, when we were young, we have never thought of a CA or MBA or whatever. At that time, every job, every profession was given a chance to prove. So this is also like doing homework by parents. We directly saying, no, you cannot go in this, we should not do this. We need to do homework. How long it will, what will be the, we can say, beneficiary, we can say, Spardha Janam, competitive, sorry, I'm really sorry. Competitive, how you will you be able to survive or not? This should be done by parents of these teenagers.
Because in the 90s, what people in the 90s kid, what was their first dream? When they know what is the career, what was their first dream? I want to become a cricketer, or I want to become a Shah Rukh Khan. It means actor. And nowadays the mentality has been changed. At that time also parents were denying कि आमा ना जवाय, बहु अघरू छे, ऊपर सुधी पहुंचाई ना पहुंचाई नक्की नहीं. And nowadays the mentality of the student has changed. Even one of my colleague, Miss Shalini ma'am, she told me that his son also is telling about that person, that Jonathan, Mama, he is earning 8 lakh rupees per month. I also want to try and all. Yes.
I think if you are talented and you know how to handle that game, you can go for that career. I will name a player named Scout. He
Yes.
played for a team
Yes.
and he has
Expa.
scored. Yeah. He has scored the team, and in a world tournament he was missing for a 1 point, and he won a trophy for India. And you were missing for 1 point.
He missed from a 1
One
point,
point.
and India could not make it. It means at the time India was second at the second position.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is not a question for you. I want to just take it out the parents that every job has a risks and the demerits. So why not the e-sports? Okay. So if your son or your daughter want to be go into the e-sports gaming, so you should once a try.
At least give them.
Once a try that is my child is doing better in the esports, so that's for the parents. Just try it once.
Actually, how parents are tough to
Your mama is watching.
I was thinking.
Your mama is watching live.
Sir, she is sitting over here.
Parents
So
want
directly is a point of. Parents need to say, we will come back to you. Yeah, by doing some research, parents need to say that.
Yes, because parents wants our security, our future security. That's why, but they have. That's why at that time also my mama said, मैंने भी बहुत जिद किया था. But at that time my mama said that first you go for your primary career and then after you select your secondary career. If you see.
Anybody else?
Yes.
Yes, Jay.
How much you need to spend to become a pro player
See,
in this game?
if you are good skilled player, see right now before to phone starting nowadays we know that special gaming phones companies are launching. It means it for this a basic requirement is 2 GB RAM, but just companies just telling game atakta hai, and then I got this question that then also if I am getting the 4 GB RAM game atakta hai. Why? Because it is totally dependent on the frame rate and the processor. First of all, because whenever you are going to purchase a phone from the salesman, he will not reveal. First of all, we have to ask kayu processor che. He will not directly reveal the processor and the frame rate. I don't think so. They know what is frame rate.
Yes. But
So they will not. They will just
you know,
advertise.
upgraded with technology. Some game players are, pro players are upgraded with technology, screens and all.
Yes.
And
Yes.
That organizations are providing them. If organization, if one of the organization is assigning you, they will provide you a house to live. It means boot camp. Maybe you know. They are providing you a better or best equipments. It means iPhone 13.
Yes.
They will provide you a 1 Gbps.
but to reach their level,
Into the reach that level.
What his question
Yes.
is that how many hours you require to give to be a proficient e-sport player?
It is
Like gaming is a different thing,
yes.
and sports is a
Sports is a
different
bit
thing.
different. See, it is dependent on the skills of the player. If I am new, I want to learn, I want to update my skill, so I need more practice. But if the player is already into the esports, so he also needs practice, but less practice as compared to them. And even after a one match, even players are getting half an hour time to strategy, because this games involves a very much strategy. Your reflexes at the time, your instincts, that what we have to do in which situation, which decision will be correct for you.
that's
So
what I want to add on.
yes. So at the time, coaches and all that, like a professional team, they are doing the building the strategies that in the next match, I want to you should go from this path, you should select this path and all.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. If we are good at building, so we can play such as Minecraft.
Yes.
There are build battles, and the prize amount is very big.
I want to add in this thing that
All are your supporters, huh?
Because they are new generation.
there is one YouTuber called as a gamer mummy. She's having more than 20,000 subscribers. She's playing the same game. Actually, what was happening? She was getting very much free time, so that's why her child suggested. She's having 2 child, and her child suggested her that, Mama, you start, because you are interested in gaming, you start doing live stream. And nowadays she's earning a good amount through her YouTube career.
And sir, one YouTuber is there. He's just playing Minecraft, and he has the second highest subscribers in the YouTube channel. PewDiePie.
PewDiePie, yes.
111.
More than 100 million subscribers he is there. Yes, sir. Parag sir.
મારું કેવું માનવું છે કે ગેમમાં ઉંમર પ્રમાણે ગેમ રાખવી જોઈએ તમારું શું કહેવું?
As I said, a mama can play a game. It is on the mindset. If from our, it is not that if I'm a 60-year-old, I cannot play.
For senior citizen,
જનરલી પેરેન્ટ્સ શું બીવે છે કેમ કે ન્યૂઝમાં આવે છે પબજી રમે છે નાનકડો છોકરો અને આ સાહેબ કરો એવી રીતે છે મારા ફોનને મારી નાખવા
કેમ કે નાનકડો છોકરો છે.
બસ ઈ જ વાંધો છે
Because
એટલે પેરેન્ટ્સ ના પાડે છે કે તમે ઈ ટાઈપની
because they don't know what is right, what is wrong. They don't know the consequences, which type of consequences will happen in the future. But one more thing I want to say, this was also a suggestion I got from my semis, that if you directly deny them, if you snatch their phone, nothing is ramwanu, they will oppose you. And as Purvi ma'am said just right now, if you explain them a good explanation, if you give them a good explanation, they will understand. Yes, a 12-year-old kid. Because I was about to add that case, but I have not.
your question, ma'am, your question.
Yes, there are many categories. Actually, the PUBG is battle royale, considered under the battle royale. There is one PvP versus P. It means player versus player games.
Yes.
Dota 2. Minecraft is also there, and there was one FIFA was also there. Free Fire is also there. It is a battle royale. One more thing I want to ask a question to the students. Okay? See, from your answers, I know that you are playing, you are watching YouTube, but are you spending real money on that?
No.
Why?
Sir, I will share my experience. First I tell my dad I want this thing, so just give me 10 rupees. In Free Fire there is special
Diamonds.
I just spent 10 rupees and next day YouTuber posted a video that in this tournament normal player, all players can play game.tv.
It is free.
Yeah. If you will want, you have to just take a screenshot, go to his Discord, and he will paying you a form. That Google Play form you have to fill fill it, and then you will get your diamonds.
Free diamonds giveaway.
If I had first place, I will get 800 diamonds, which is worth 1,000.
It means you won a tournament.
I had won 3 tournaments. I get diamonds worth like 3,400.
It means my question is, why you are not spending your own money?
Because
You know that
This
thing.
is the parents is the main reason.
See, what is my question? Let me clear my question. Why you are not eating them without asking them why you are not spending your money?
because we understand.
Because you understand અંતર સમજ. This અંતર સમજ ક્યારે આવે? બાળકમાં પોતાની રીતે જ આવી જાય. આફ્ટર ગ્રેજ્યુએશન છોકરાને એટલી જ્યારે કમાતો થાય તો એને પૈસાની કિંમત પોતે ને પોતે જ સમજાઈ જાય કે મારો રૂપિયો છે કે મમ્મીનો રૂપિયો છે, હવે બે એક છે. પણ મારે ખોટી જગ્યાએ ના વાપરવું જોઈએ. જે કોલેજનો સ્ટુડન્ટ હોય છે, રોજ કેન્ટીનમાં 100 રૂપિયાનું ખાતો હોય, એને પછી જ્યાં જોબ કરતો હોય ત્યાંના રોજના 30 રૂપિયા દેતા વિચાર કરે.
Rajan sir, this is completely like not much explored field for
Yes.
me.
Yes.
And I know now trend is going to change. I asked you one question in your semis
Yes.
also, and you said is even very nice answer. So, like each like IT field, it gives stress. But in this apart from the stress and sitting postures and gestures, I read it psychologically it makes you addicted. So what about that? I want to know. I'm not contradicting or anything, but if you can show
Yes,
me.
it makes also addictive because as we are getting more kills, okay, it means which makes હાલો ને હજી એક ગેમ રમી લે. Will tell to our friend હાલ ને હજી એક ગેમ રમી લે જો મારું ફોર્મ સારું છે. This kind of things players are doing, but at the end, see, it is totally dependent, as I said just right now, antar samaj આવી જાય. Then when he understood that હવે આજે મારે બહુ ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો તો મારે મૂકી દેવું જોઈએ. But at that time, if he is performing good and his parents will tell બહુ ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો મૂકી દે, મામા પ્લીઝ 2 મિનિટ હમણાં પતાવી લો. So this maturity will come with that age, because I have also faced this and I have also felt this in many players, those who are playing with me and they are of my age group, and even there some of them are married and they are having kids.
તો આંતર સમજના કોર્સ શરૂ કરવા પડશે.
Yes ma'am.
पर सर कई सारी गेम्स ऐसी भी है जिसमें आपने देखा होगा कि
Brutality.
लास्ट लेवल ऐसा होता है जिसमें वो बच्चे सुसाइड करते हैं और
That was
वो बच्चे ऐसे नहीं है मतलब छोटे हैं या
Yes.
फिर उनको कुछ समझ नहीं है 12, 13, 17 इयर्स के
Yes.
स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो सुसाइड कर रहे हैं.
That is
इसमें
Blue
आपका-
Whale game.
हाँ,
That is Blue Whale game. It was organized by the, I think I would say, hacker or a terrorist group on the social media, because they have found out that people are so much fond with their social media accounts. For the likes, they can do anything. So it was their motto for this thing. I think it means it was a set up by a hackers, a group of hackers or a terrorist organization. બહુ વર્ષો પહેલાની વાત છે, I think so. The name is also Blue Whale. Yes. I think so. I saw.
You would have come instead of him here. Doesn't get better.
आपने बोला कि फ्री फायर पबजी सब खेलते हैं, बट आपने ऐसा बोला भी कि छोटे बच्चे को नहीं खेलना चाहिए और बड़े को खेलना चाहिए, पर ऐसा क्यों, उसे क्यों खेलना चाहिए?
Recommendation, हाँ.
और
Yes.
मेरा दूसरा भी वो पॉइंट है, उससे बेनिफिट क्या होगा हमें? आप खेलो, आपका माइंड फ्रेश भी हो, पर उससे बेनिफिट हमें क्या होगा कि हम उसे खेलें?
See, you showed the 2 points. Right now, in your age, you have not seen the world. So you know, maybe you have seen, but according to parents also, આપણે દુનિયા નથી જોઈ. You don't know, or you can with this. There is one quote in Gujarati કે અનુભવથી માથાના વાળ સફેદ થાય, kind of this thing.
પચાય જાય.
It means what? It means what? By getting the experience, you will find out that at the time, in my childhood I was doing this thing, but it was wrong. So in your future you will find out that at that time, at the childhood time, I was very much fond of this game, but that was wrong. By experience you will gain that. And your second question was, what is, see, some of the players are passionate about this. How Sachin was passionate about cricket. So if it is related to passion, it is not recommended for all that from now onwards you have to play it compulsory, no. But it is dependent on the passion. If I am passionate very much in this, so I want to try in it.
Great.
Yes, comparison.
And sir, from this we would take decisions fast. So because in the game
Reflexes. It means in the last zone I have to take the decision whether I have to stay in this or whether I have to attack. It means it will be.
As you can see, the audience, the excitement and the question parts you are getting from here the most. The rebellious part is also here the most. So, what do you think? If this becomes a proper career, if esports as your topic is as a career, so don't you think it will rise rebels? Because he's just a 6th standard kid. I know him very much personally. So don't you think, like she also said that it is because of parents who don't give us money. So don't you think it will rise rebels? Plus, they're just like violence family issues which later will they have generation gap which is not that much right now will increase a lot.
See, at one time in 2018, I was a rebel. But how this also related with the parenting. As I said, if you will snatch their phones, they will oppose you. They will start opposing you. They will think that you are their enemies. Mommy ko jo na koi kai karwa જ નથી. It will be like that. But with the time, I understood the value. I earned the experience. And I learned that right now my mama is not there. So she was my God. But I learned that at that time his words were gold for me. That because I understood at that time, because it requires a lot of time also. Yes, your question?
Just sharing, it is your life experience which made you this much mature.
Yes.
If I talk about the person whom I am really connected with, 26 years of age, he will still wake at night just for playing PUBG. So your views on this?
See, ma'am, from hundreds of people, you are having one example. Same way, from hundreds of people, I am having one example.
It could be every.
Yes.
Just to add one thing, when they are doing live streaming,
Yes.
the attention of the people, they are using vulgar words.
Abusive words, yeah.
So many different
Yes,
things
yes.
are there. Second thing, that the trend is changing a lot. Once a person who is a very popular thing, within a year, he will be nowhere because the other person would have taken his place.
Yes.
So that the career ends over there. So this is what this thing occurs.
See,
in this case.
what is happening? There are many players, those who are abusive, but they are using abusive language. But there are many players also who understood this thing that abusive words. There are, I will say, comparatively, there are more players. Those who are not using abusive language. If I'll give you example, Scout, as the boy said, Scout. Generally, he is using abusive language. But as compared to him, there are many players. Those who are not, they are opposing him. They are also refusing playing with him. It means now he understood that. Nowadays he understood that it was his fault. One more thing I want to clear, that Carryminati. Many of the people knows this thing. Carryminati. He was making videos from 2014. At that time he was using abusive language. Now with that time he understood that, as this boy said. In the gaming.
The students who are there, they know sound because of this. They are attracted towards this.
Yes.
So this is what.
This is the cons. There are, see, each and every field has cons and pros. सिक्के की दो साइड होती है. But this is okay. No, right? But this is on us. What we have to accept or what we have to leave. Because there are many live streamers, those who are not.
We'll be having later on online session. Judges.
Sir, well explained, and I enjoyed thoroughly. Do you think that gaming should be a part of our curriculum, or government should introduce all these activities?
It was a question raised by a gamer named as a Scout only. He thought that in his live stream he told that esports also should be a career in this. But at that time everybody was making fun of him. And this Olympic has just announced before.
Now, let's talk about India.
Yes.
Government of India, Ministry of Education. Do you think that we should talk to them that it should be a part of it?
It should be part of it. See, according to me, right now it is not required. Because it's just a game. And see, by knowing the curiosity, a player or a person will learn the game. As the boy said, I won 3 tournaments. Even I will till date, I have also not won 3 tournaments.
Okay.
See, it means right now, according to me, right now it is not required. As in the future, if it gets popular, as we know how much precious medals are there. So if their value also increases, so it may be happen.
For the benefit of all of us, according to National Education Policy 2020, from Standard 6 onwards, it is the vision of Mr. Narendra Modi that yes, it should be a part of school education system. And yes, it is going to be it, and it is a part of it right now.
It will be part of this.
Yes. Right? Yeah.
Sports and game is a different thing.
Yes.
The students they are talking about gaming.
Yes.
Sports is absolutely a different thing. Where maturity, where like a career, where you are more time,
Yes.
your focus, everything would be required. Your capacity, your knowledge, everything would be required. So e-commerce, it is the 16th ranked in the e-commerce at present in the world. Yes, sir? And again, to your better surprise or shock, he is entering into e-casino also.
Right.
Very soon.
Yes.
E-casino also. Whether you surprise or shock, that is up to you. But this is the fact, sir. You have any questions?
Based on my experience and being as a sportsman, and being as a judo karate player, and I would like to share few of my experience. Here people are having, myths related to sports, gaming. Fine, see, as a judo player, many times I have heard that, fine, people are saying that it's a game of, physical strength. But if personally I share that it's a really game of skill. At the same time, fine, I would like to request all the parents who are restricting their child to play e-gaming. If you take example of Bill Clinton as well as Warren Buffett, fine, in contemporary world, they are also playing in-house gaming. And basically, this e-gaming also relates with critical thinking skill, problem solving skill, decision making skill. So obviously, I'm with this second and third row people, fine. And at the same time, see, here I would like to say that we are bit unfortunate that in Olympic we are getting less medals. Find the reason due to lack of awareness. At the same time, this e-gaming is going to be future. If we will not provide proper resources, proper guidance, find proper mentoring, then again, find we will come at our index or our ranking will be definitely at less place. So my request is definitely we would take this thing positively, and a country like India where unemployment rate is too much high, then being as a placement coordinator also, sir, I would like to say that fine, definitely students, parents must focus this particular sector, fine, as an upcoming employment sector. And today only, from many IT companies, we are getting requests that they would like to hire computer IT student as a gaming designer or as a coder. And for that, definitely, it requires a lot of raw knowledge related to this domain.
Thanks, sir. Excellent, sir. Very
There is the age group, but if you look at Arjun or the gentleman,
6 standard.
किस किस सितम की मिसाल दूं मैं, किस किस सितम की मिसाल दूं मैं तुमको, तुम तो हर सितम बेमिसाल करते हो. So friends, we'll be having a short break of 15 minutes. We'll be going